Did you know that the first G4 Geomagnetic storm watch since 2005 has been issued? This might sound a bit sci-fi, but it's actually a serious situation monitored by the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center. These watches are issued when severe space weather events are expected to occur. And this is the first one of this magnitude in almost 2 decades. Now, let's break it down. A G4 Geomagnetic storm watch is a heads-up for a major disturbance in Earth's magnetosphere, which is largely caused by solar winds. This time, the watch has been issued due to 2 halo coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, that occurred on May 8th. These CMEs are expected to reach Earth by late on May 10th, escalating the geomagnetic response to G1, which is considered a minor storm level. But that's not all. By the wee hours of May 11th, we're likely to experience conditions reaching G4 level, indicating a strong storm. This escalation is due to the anticipated passage of 4 CMEs past our planet. As the bulk of the 4 CMEs moves past Earth, we may witness widespread voltage control problems, and some protective systems may mistakenly trip out key assets from the power grid. This is not just a space event, but one that can have tangible impacts right here on Earth. What can we expect from this G4 Geomagnetic storm watch? Well, several impacts are anticipated. Intensified induced pipeline currents are one of them. These are currents that are triggered in long conductors like pipelines due to changes in the Earth's magnetic field. This can lead to corrosion and other operational issues. Also, if you're in Alabama or Northern California, you might be in for a treat. The Aurora, the mesmerizing natural light display typically seen in high-latitude regions, may be visible as low as these areas. At least 5 Earth-directed coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, have been observed. These massive bursts of solar wind and magnetic fields from the sun's corona are expected to arrive as early as midday, Friday, May 10th, and persist through Sunday, May 12th. In the past few days, several strong flares have been observed. These are associated with a large and magnetically complex sunspot cluster, known as Region 3664. To give you a sense of scale, this cluster is 16 times the diameter of Earth. Solar activity is expected to persist at high to very high levels over May 9th through 11th, with M-class flares, which are minor to moderate, expected. And brace yourselves, because X-class flares, which are strong, are likely. Stay tuned and stay safe as we continue to monitor this significant space weather event.